Crew members use wedge-shaped gripping devices called slips to suspend the drill string in the hole. They fit around the top joint of pipe and wedge in the taper of the rotary table's opening. Slips have serrated inserts, or dies. The inserts grip the outside diameter of the suspended tubular. To set the slips, crew members place them around the pipe. The driller then slowly lowers the pipe until the slips can take up the load. The serrated inserts, or dies, in the slips firmly hold the pipe. To remove the slips, crew members grasp the slip handles. And, as the driller picks up the pipe, they lift them out of the rotary table opening and set them aside. When using drill collars and other tubulars that do not have an elevator shoulder, crew members install a safety clamp above the drill collar slips. If the gripping elements on the drill collar slips failed, the drill collar would slide down. Before the collars could slide all of the way out of the slips, however, the safety clamp would hold the collars against the top of the slips. Crew members use several types of slips and spiders. A spider, like slips, suspend pipe in the hole, but spiders do not fit inside the rotary table's opening. Instead, they rest on top of it. Spiders are used instead of slips when the rotary table's bushing size is not compatible with the tubulars being run. Here you can see drill pipe, rotary slips, drill collar slips, drill pipe coil spring power slips, an air-powered tubing spider, and a 750-ton air-controlled casing spider. Crew members use each one to hold the corresponding drill pipe, drill collars, casing, or tubing. Power slips are powered by a heavy-duty, high-strength coil spring or by air. Instead of manually placing air-powered slips in the master bushing, crew members or the driller operate them by remote control. Crew members latch the elevator around the top of pipe joints in the drill string. Once latched, the driller can raise and lower pipe in and out of the hole. Crew members attach the elevator to the hook with two forged high-grade steel rods called links or bales. One end of the links fits into the link ears on the hook. Link locking arms secure the links into the ears. Crew members then attach the elevator to the other end of the links. Most elevators are hinged. Crew members open and close them by operating the latch with two handles on each side. Notice that this elevator has a tapered seat. This taper matches the taper on the tool joint of a length of drill pipe. When properly latched, the tool joint taper rests in the elevator taper and makes a firm, positive grip without damaging the drill pipe. On drill string members that do not have an elevator shoulder, crew members make up a lifting sub into the end of the joint. For instance, this drill collar does not have a shoulder, it is slick, so the crew made up the lifting sub. They latch the elevator onto the taper on the lifting sub to raise or lower drill collars into and out of the hole. On a top drive, the links holding the elevator have an air-operated or pneumatic tilt mechanism. The driller activates the tilt mechanism when the pipe is being pulled from the hole. When the top of the drill string reaches the derrickman's position at the monkey board, the driller can tilt the top of the stand of the pipe toward the derrickman. The derrickman can then unlatch the elevator and set the stand back in the fingerboard. The fingerboard is a rack that supports the top of the stands of pipe being stacked in the mast or derrick.